Hello, today we will guide you through how to fix Claude AI not loading in browser. If Claude is not opening properly in your browser, don't worry. In many cases, the issue is caused by something simple, like a temporary page error, a weak internet connection, stored browser cache, or even a temporary server problem. We'll walk through a few straightforward things you can try to get it working again. To begin, open your browser and search for Claude AI Login. From the search results, click the official Claude sign-in page to open your account page. This helps make sure you are trying to access the correct website and not an outdated or incorrect link. Once you are on the Claude page, the first thing to try is reloading the page. Click the refresh button near the address bar at the top of your browser. Sometimes the page simply fails to load completely on the first attempt, and a refresh is enough to fix it. If that doesn't help, the next thing to check is your internet connection. Open a search for an internet speed test and run it. If your connection is slow, unstable, or disconnecting, Claude may not load correctly. If possible, try switching networks or waiting for the connection to stabilize before loading the page again. Another common fix is clearing your browser's cached files and browsing data. In your browser, click the three-dot menu in the top right corner, then choose the option to delete browsing data. Make sure cached files and related site data are selected, then clear them. Old or corrupted cache files can sometimes prevent websites from loading properly. After clearing, return to Claude and try again. If Claude still isn't loading, try opening it in a different browser. This can help rule out browser compatibility issues or extension-related problems. If it works in another browser, the issue may be with your original browser's settings or stored data. You should also check whether Claude's server is currently working. If the service itself is temporarily down, the page may not load no matter what you do on your side. In that case, the best option is to wait a little and try again later. Finally, restart your browser. If that still doesn't solve the problem, restart your computer or device. A full restart can clear temporary system glitches that may be interfering with the browser. By following these steps, you can usually fix most Claude loading problems in just a few minutes. Thanks for watching, and we hope this helps you get Claude working smoothly again.